Please don't shave off your beard because you have patches in it. Yes, I know a lot of you guys are thinking of shaving off your beard because you are tired of dealing with patchy beard. But I want to tell you guys, hope is not lost, because today's video I want to show you guys how to deal with those stubborn patchy beards, or how to fix that stubborn patchy beard on your face. Because I used to be like you, I felt it, I know how frustrating it is to have a patchy beard. So today's video I want to show you guys how to fix it the easiest way possible. But before we start, make sure you like the video and subscribe for your boy. You know I don't like to waste much of your time, so let's hop into it. So would you be surprised if I tell you that I still have some patches in my beard? Yes, I know you guys are surprised right now. Yes, I still do have some patches in my beard, but don't get it twisted. They are not like the way they used to look like. Now they are in my beard, but they are very tiny, which is very hard for you to find them, or which is very hard for you to see, because I've allowed my beard to grow out. Which takes me to the first point that I'm going to talk about in this video. If you really want to cover, or if you really want to deal with your patchy beard, one of the best ways you can really do that is by allowing your beard to grow out. Yes, right now if I'm to shave my beard for it to go down, I'm sure you guys can see those patches. I have one around this side, but it's very hard for you to see because the hair around the area is long, which helps it cover all those patches. That's why allowing your beard to grow out is very good in covering your patches. I know it's very frustrating, especially the first month. The patches in it looks very frustrating and you look very ugly with that look. So a lot of guys can't really pass by the first month without shaving it off. But then trust me, if you really force yourself to pass the first or second month, you're not gonna have that kind of difficulties again. Yes, because the longer your beard looks, the more easier for it to cover those areas or those other patchy areas. Right now, if I'm to shave off my beard, you're going to see some imperfection, patches in my beard. Let me tell you guys, there is no perfect beard in this world. All the guys you see with perfect looking beard, most of them have patches in it, but then because they have it long, it's hard for you to see those patches. So if you are struggling with patchy beard right now, don't give up. Just understand that it's part of the process. Just allow it to go. With time, you're not going to struggle with those problems. So yes, the best thing for you, or the first thing you can do to tackle this patchy beard, is to allow it to go out. Whilst you are growing it out, the next thing you should be doing is to start applying a MINOXIDIL in your beard. Yes, you should focus on the side where there is patches there, because the reason why I'm saying you should start applying a MINOXIDIL to your beard is because, you know, some of you guys, the areas are very big or the patches are very big. So if with such problems, even if you grow the beard out, it will be very hard for you to be able to cover them with the hair or with the existing hair. So you need to grow the new hair, or you need to grow new hair in those patches areas. And as we all know, MINOXIDIL is the best product you can use to grow new hair or to enhance new hair growth in your face. So you should start applying MINOXIDIL around the area twice a day, morning and evening. Yes, focus on doing that whilst you are growing it out, and trust me, give it about 3 months. By the third month, you will not even notice your beard, you will not even see any kind of patches again, because this is very effective. This is what I use personally, even though I used MINOXIDIL for about a year straight. But I started seeing the results after the third month. That was when most of my patches started covering, because I also grew the hair around the area. It was so easy for me to even cover them up. So yes, start applying a MINOXIDIL around the area. You can even add a Derma Roller into it, of course. You know, for those of you who don't know, a Derma Roller, it's a device that we use to enhance blood flow to the area. But then don't get it twisted. Even though I said you should be using the MINOXIDIL twice a day, the Derma Roller is not used twice a day. For those of you who don't know, you don't need to use the Derma Roller twice a day. You have to use it maximum twice a week. For instance, every Sundays and Wednesdays. That's how I used mine. But that was my routine. That was what I did to my beard. And you should try as much as possible to get the 0.5 millimeters. That's the size you should get. Whenever you use it, make sure that you sterilize it. Well, for those of you who don't really know how to use a Derma Roller, I've made a video, because this is a different video. I don't want to talk much about a Derma Roller here. I've made a video about how to use a Derma Roller, or how I use Derma Roller to fix my beard. I'm going to link it in the description. You guys can check it out later. Trust me, your beard will never be the same again. So the next thing you should start doing to cover your patches or to deal with your patchy areas is to start using beard enhancement, specifically beard dye. Yes, I like to say beard dye because that's what I use. Yes, I do use beard dye on my face even as at now that I can't really see any patches in my face or in my beard. I still use it. Why? Because it really helps make the beard look denser and fuller. So imagine you having a thick or patchy beard and applying it. It's going to help you cover, or it's going to make the patches look less visible. That's the work of the beard enhancer. We have different types out there. We have the beard pen, we have the beard dye. I personally use the beard dye, like I said earlier on. So we should start applying the beard dye. It really helps, trust me. Most of the celebrities you see out there, remember I told you that no one really has the perfect looking beard. Most of these celebrities or most people you see out there do apply some level of enhancement to their beard, which is in a form of a dye or something like that. But then make sure that you get the one that goes according to your hair color. I think you should be able to find some on Amazon for those of you in US, or you can just go to your local cosmetic shop and just ask them for any hair dye based on your hair type, and they're going to give you. For this, you can really be using it often. For instance, once a week. Personally, I do apply it twice in a month. Yes, that's every 2 weeks I apply it once, which is really good because as you guys can see, my beard is looking. So start doing that if you really want to deal with your patches. That's the video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it, and I hope it is very informative to you guys. If you do, as usual, kindly like the video for your boy. This really helps the channel a lot, and we are growing. We are growing. So right now we are heading to 2,000 subscribers. So for those of you who haven't still subscribed yet, please kindly do subscribe for me. And if you have anything at all you want me to talk about on this channel, kindly let me know in the comment section. I know you guys have been asking me about my skincare routine. Guys, kindly relax for me. It's coming. I promise you guys, man. It's just taking a little bit longer for me to make it, but then it will come for sure. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.